Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 10 plus stocks including Evans Electric, Anupam Finserv, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Ayush Wellness Limited. Share is trading around rupees 184. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 200 shares of Ayush Wellness Limited, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex date and record date is fixed as 26th December 2024. Evans Electric Limited. Current market price rupees 354. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date is fixed as 26th December 2024. Bonus 1:1 means if you have 100 shares of Evan Electric Limited, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Anupam Finserv Limited. Current market price rupees 2.62. Company announced a board meeting on 19th December 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is rights issue. Link Limited. Current market price rupees 691. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2 and announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date is fixed as 20th December 2024. Sprite Agro Limited. Share is trading around rupees 13.8. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Sprite Agro. Regis Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 176. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Regis Industries, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Regis Industries. Rajeshwari Cans Limited. Current market price rupees 643. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date is fixed as 19th December 2024. RTB Infrastructure and Power Limited. Current market price rupees 548. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Infrastructure. Sky Gold Limited. Current market price rupees 4,431. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 9:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Sky Gold Limited, you will get another 90 shares as bonus. So total you will have 190 shares. Ex date and record date is fixed as 16th December 2024. IPOs. Hams Bio Limited IPO. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price rupees 51 per share. Lot size 2000 shares. IPO opens on 13th December and IPO closes on 17th December 2024. Base of allotment 18th December and initiation of funds 19th December. Credit of shares to demat account 19th December. Listing date of Hams Bio Limited is fixed as 20th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 100% and shareholding post-issue 71.99%. Incorporated in 2007, Hams Bio Limited is engaged in the marketing and distribution of pharmaceutical products like tablets, syrups, capsules, injectables, oil, and nutritional supplements. The company distributes its products through a network of over 50 distributors and e-commerce platforms including Amazon, Flipkart, and JioMart. Their pharma products are sold in 8 states and union territories, while freeze-dried and frozen products reach 6 countries and 22 states and union territories. The company's business is divided into 2 segments. 1. Pharmaceuticals. The company's pharmaceutical products are marketed under the Hams brand. The range includes tablets, syrups, capsules, injectables, and powders. Freeze-dried and frozen products. The FMCG division focuses on freeze-dried and frozen items under the Faizy Easy brand. The company operates through both B2B and B2C models, offering products under its brand and through contract manufacturing. Freeze-dried and frozen products include strawberry, jamun, mango, beet powder, chiku powder, etc. This is the balance sheet of Hams Bio Limited. All the amounts are in lakhs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.